Okie doke. So we got our 2007 Highlander, and it looks like we have a speaker blowout in this left front speaker, and so we're gonna swap that one out. So stay tuned for more Random Dave. If you watched my video on the window that falls out of the track, we got to get this door panel off to get this speaker swapped out, and we got to get a screw from behind the door handle here, door pull, and this little hand grasp area, there's a screw hiding in there. So we're gonna get those two out and get this door panel off. We can start up top here. There's a little door here, a little window that we gotta open up, and it exposes the screw. We gotta get this little frame off of here. So you got to go above the door lock, put your panel removal tool just above that door lock, leverage that down and up, and you will do this one on the bottom side, free that up, and out it comes. This thing has to come off, this little cup, but there we have it. Get in there, under there, and pry. It's just kind of friction fit in there. Little screw right over there. Yeah, panel. Use the panel removal tool to try and get it underneath these panels here. Giving it a tug. Boom. Pulls out. Should get us what we want. Yeah. And we got some plugs and stuff for the windows, and I'd like to disconnect that. So to get this clip out, the pinch is not on the sides, but it's on the bottom end. So the way the plug is in there, there's just a little pinch tab. Actually, it didn't take much pressure at all, but let's see if we can zoom in on that. There we have it. That's our tab right there. Just watch out for this wire. Don't yank that one out for our little bottom light. But we got our speaker revealed. We're gonna have to unscrew the retaining screws. It's 4 of them around there, and of course our speaker plug wire. Pinch it on the side, the one side here, and pull that out. I didn't even test it, but we could do that right now and just see what we got. I was told it was buzzing. Do something about that. Yeah, it's definitely a buzzing. Not sounding too good. Hopefully I don't get some kind of copyright strike. It's just kind of semi-glued in the space there. 2 tabs, a yellow and a black. It should just slide off those ears. Yep, just push it off. There you go. Dead speaker. These are nice though. JBL's on the Toyota. Okay, that's a Kenwood. Yeah, we got a Kenwood in there. They come with the grills. They come with some wires and whatnot, but we shouldn't need anything because these do have the little ears. They got the little ears on it. Let's get a little focus. Larger one and a smaller one, and so our little tab should fit on that, no problem. Kenwood, not a sponsor, right? A little goosier than the other one was, but make sure they're just in the little tabs there. Yeah, that'll hold. And not an exact alignment, but good enough to get our screws to hold it. I find a sweet spot in the middle. Alright, that's held into place. Let's see who's on the radio now. Well, we got no buzz. Sounding a lot better. Well, I know these speakers aren't as nice sounding as those JBLs were, that's for sure. The sound is a little bit muted, but they do the trick. It's like we're in the game again. And again, we don't need a grill over there because there's a grill on the door panel. So we're gonna button it up and call this one done. Short video there, folks. A little tutorial on swapping out a speaker on your Highlander. A lot of cars are the same deal. Sometimes those connectors don't quite match up, and so the speaker manufacturer will give you some splices that you can use. We didn't need them in this case. They seem to fit okay. So we'll just patch everything up and we'll call this one done. So thanks for staying tuned with Random Dave. We'll see you next time.